everyone, Urmila here. Today I'm going to show you how to make some midnight chicken. Well, we're using vegetarian drumsticks, but that's what my family has given the name to this dish. They've called it midnight chicken. So what you need is I've got about 10 pieces of vegetarian drumsticks here. You need about a tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, a tablespoon of chili powder, or a bit less if you prefer, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. I'm putting about a teaspoon's worth. That should be enough. And then about 2 to 3 spoons of maple syrup, and about 1 teaspoon of thin soy sauce. A little bit more should be okay. Because this is salty and you've already added salt, so you don't want to add too much of it. And then you need to add about 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And you'll also need to add a bit of caramel sauce. Then what you need to do is just mix it all through and let it sit for about an hour, and then you can deep fry it. So that's probably about 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce, and then just mix it all through. You feel like it's too dry, you can just sprinkle a bit of water in it and then just let it marinate for a while before you deep fry it. So it's been about half an hour, 40 minutes since the drumsticks have marinated. Now I'm just going to deep fry it with some hot oil. Just let it fry until it's nice and brown. As you can see, it's nice and brown, so you can remove the drumsticks from the oil and continue frying the rest until you've fried all of them, and then you can enjoy it while it's warm. Happy cooking!